Jamie Novak here, your bite-sized living specialist. And today, I'm going to reveal 3 secrets to saving time with grocery shopping. The first is, like with like. Now this is true of your shopping list, and it's also true when you're bagging up your groceries. When you're putting them into those bags, group like with like. All the frozen together, all the dairy together, all the bathroom products together, and it's going to make it real easy, and it's going to save you time when you get home and have to put those items away. You can open the freezer and put everything in at once. Love that tip. The second is the idea of creating lists. Now you've all heard, right? We should be grocery shopping from a list, and that is true. So we'll do that as best we can. Maybe a master list that we'll photocopy or keep on one of our smartphones. It's a great way to just check off what you need. And then you can make a little notation, maybe the letter C, next to the items that you have a coupon for. So again, makes it real easy to be sure you get the one that matches the coupon so you can take that discount. And then of course, we also want to keep lists of what we have at home. Now this doesn't mean you have to label each and every section of your pantry just so that you know which canned foods go where. Not at all. What we're looking for is a general list. So maybe something in the pantry that you'll just check off what you're missing as you use it. And maybe a dry erase board near or in the freezer, so as you take the last of something out, you can just make a simple check mark. Makes it real easy to go ahead and make that grocery store shopping list. So now we've got lists, we're grouping like with like as we're bagging things, and the third secret, well, this one is a little bit of a quiz. Do you know that there's one day of the week that's particularly better to do your shopping on? It's the least busy day of the week. Can you guess what day it is? It's not a weekend, that's for sure. It's Tuesdays. Tuesdays are the least busy day, especially in the grocery store. So if you can, that's the day you want to head out. Always park in the same aisle or row so we can find the car. That's another huge time saver. And that was a bonus because I promised you 3 and now you've got 4. So head out the door, hit that grocery store on a Tuesday, and let me know how these tips are working for you. This has been Jamie Novak with Bite Size Living. Visit me there and we'll share more ideas. Have a bite-sized day.